Hello everyone, welcome to our engineering drawing course. I am Bharat Guru from Mechanical Engineering Department, MIT Aurangabad. What is solid? Solid has three dimensions: length, breadth, and thickness. Solids mainly we have two classifications. One is polyhedron, another one is solids of revolution. Under polyhedra, pyramid, tube, prisms. Under solids of revolution, sphere, cone, cylinder. In polyhedra, we have different varieties like prisms, pyramids, cube, tetrahedron, etc. Prisms, a polyhedron formed by two equal parallel end faces connected by side faces which are rectangles. Like this, these are the triangular prism, square prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism. There may be octagonal prism. Next, pyramids, a polyhedra formed by a plane surface as its base and a number of triangles as its side faces, all meeting a point called vertex or apex. These are the pyramids: triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. Next, cube. It is a cube. We have six equal side faces. Similarly, the other one, tetrahedron, having four equal lateral triangular faces. Next is solids of revolution. Let us look at that. For example, cylinder, a plane, a rectangular plane revolving around that axis gives a cylinder. Cone, a right angle triangular plane revolving around the axis gives us cone. Sphere, semicircular plane revolving around the axis gives us sphere. If we want to solve the examples of projections of solids, first we have to see dimensional parameters of different solids. Let us see examples: square prism, square pyramid, cylinder, cone. This is square prism, square pyramid, cylinder, cone. Sphere is made up of rectangular faces. Here square prism top and bottom is square plane. This portion is called as a top. This one is rectangular face, longer edge, corner of base, edge of base, bottom or base. Same way in square pyramid, there are triangular faces joined with each other and base is square. The joining of these three rectangular faces is this called as apex. There are four slant edges. This is base, edge of base, corner of base, triangular face. These are the words we regularly use in example. That's why we see these dimensional parameters. Next is cylinder, cone. Cylinder, cone is made up of the number of imaginary lines. We call this as the generators. Base of the cylinder, circle. This is apex of cone. Base of cone is again circle. Apart from this, there are another solids which is called as a frustum of cone and pyramids. If we see these two, top and base are parallel to each other, otherwise it comes under irregular solids. Next we see the different positions of solids. For example, we take a cone. When cone is resting on horizontal plane, front view is looks like triangle. Cone standing on horizontal plane on its base axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The front view is like this. Second case, when cone is resting on HP and one of its point on base circle and axis inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Front view looks like this. Another case, when cone resting on HP, lying on HP on one of its generator, axis inclined to HP and parallel to VP. This is front view. These are the cases when solid or cone resting on horizontal plane. When cone is resting on vertical plane, we get this triangle in top view. Cone resting on vertical plane, on its base axis perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. This is top view. Cone resting on vertical plane, on its base circle, axis inclined to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. Top view looks like this. When cone resting on one of its generator on vertical plane, axis inclined to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. These are the different positions of solids, and where we get front view and top view looks like this. From upcoming videos, we solve the actual examples of projections of solids. Thank you.